This is the first or introduction video to our new lesson here at Udemy, which is about a stock price prediction system, building it from scratch and fully automatic. This is a comprehensive guideline to build production-ready stock prediction system using machine learning, automation, and close to real-time dashboards. Well, of course, we cannot predict with the 100% accuracy when it comes to the stock market because there are a huge number of outside factors that can affect the stock price. For example, imposing tariffs one country to another or deciding to soften the tariffs again from one country to another. All of this has effect on a market and traders, which can give them some kind of courage to make a move or make them disappoint, and then the market goes red. But here what we are going to do, we are going to build a system which will do prediction for 100 stocks, top stocks from SP 500 mostly. So we are going, except for that, also introduce some metrics like mean absolute error, mean percentage error, mean squared error. All of them will be our tools to help identify the models and their weaknesses and their strength. We are going to build it for 5 models. We will go one by one from the very beginning, like understanding what it is and why we do that, up to the having complete dashboard up and running and display the values that we want. Why we are doing this, the real world example. Consider a portfolio manager analyzing 100 of S&P stocks daily. Like even with 5 minutes per stock, it is 500 minutes, which is like 8+ hours of analysis. Of course, people are getting tired simply. So fatigue affects accuracy after 4 or 5 hours. Results are inconsistent. Different analytics from different companies can go on with very different results for the very same stock with the very same conditions. And all of this combined is the delayed decision. Analysis is completed if you start at the market open after the market close. We are not providing any 100% reliable prediction model. I'm just going to explain what I built, how I built, and what are my actual results. And of course, you can share your results as well. What is the solution? Instead of relying on manual analysis, we are going to build a system that leverages multiple machine learning models. We are going to implement linear regression, random forest, ARIMA, ARIMA, RNN, recurrent neural network, and LSTM, long short-term memory models. With that 5 models, we are going to have diversity. Different models capture different patterns. Robustness, it will reduce the overfitting and improves generalization. Accuracy, and here I want to introduce quote unquote accuracy because again it is not 100% guarantee of anything that will happen to the stock market, but this is just analytic model that provides a prediction of price based on the existing results and based on the strategy that is behind of all those 5 models. Advantages: it will precede 100 plus stocks in minutes, not hours. It will apply the methodology to all stocks. The scalability: list of stocks can be defined by the user, and model will analyze the prices for all of them, and based on that will give prediction to those. If you have very high capacity in terms of setting calculations, you can include wider range of stocks. We will build the data pipeline. We will fetch the real-time data from multiple endpoints, FMP, Tingo. We will set up historical data management for models training. We will do feature engineering with technical indicators and perform data validation and quality checks. Models, of course, has to be trained, some sort of automated training on updated daily data. Each day we are going to get the stock closing prices for the market, and based on those prices, models training will be updated. Hyperparameter optimization for best performance. Cross-validation to prevent overfitting. Model persistence for production deployment. And at the end, we will have daily prediction for all stocks, evaluation against actual prices, performance metrics, mean absolute error, mean absolute percentage error, mean squared error, and continuous improvement through feedback loops. What will be our requirements? Of course, daily data fetching for financial APIs, model training on historical data, prediction for next trading day, performance evaluation against actual prices versus predicted prices, automated scheduling for daily operation, and the dashboard for monitoring and analysis. With that being said, I want to close this very first lesson with some kind of diagram I came up with. You can see the prediction system on how it's gonna look like and what it is at all. On data layer, we are relying on financial APIs, FMP, Tingo, and we will consider the rate limiting. We will storage the data for historical, daily results, and for each models for each stock. On processing layer, we will run ML models with linear regression, random forest, ARIMA, RNN, and LSTM. We will evaluate metrics and performance. And on presentation layer, we are going to use Streamlit. We are going to provide the dashboard with it, which will be color-coded, interactive, and close to real time. And our daily dashboard will show today's results and tomorrow's predictions. This is the kickoff for the new lessons or new course on Udemy. So if you think that's something that might interest you, jump in. We will continue our journey together. And yes, one more thing. In Medium, which you can see here, I came up earlier for the list of articles. Let me actually share them with you. My stories. Here they are, and among the published ones you can see here predictions. Again, those 5 models one by one. There was a search functionality a while ago here. Let's check. No, it's not. More. So Yeah, if you will check on Medium, if you are registered in there, and will check my name, you will find the articles for all of those 5 models which work together and show the result for it. I believe it was for 5 stocks and it was manual. Now this is automated system that will serve us in our needs, and we will have fully automated solution. You can schedule it to run autonomously and provide you the dashboard daily at a certain time after market close. So you will have your data and availability to compare the prediction prices versus the actual prices, and which of models did best and which of them did worse. Stay tuned, we will continue our journey, our exciting journey, and hopefully that would be something that you can use in your day-to-day activities related to the stock market. Thank you. This is all for today. See you next lesson.